Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Technospark 20 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the password and security. Then let's tap on the fingerprint, and of course if you've got the screen lock you will have to enter it to confirm. If not, you really have to set the screen lock right now. Without it you won't be able to add the fingerprint, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. Alright, so let me enter the pattern, and now let's tap on Add Fingerprint. Here we've got the instructions, so basically we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button on the right side of our device. So let's simply tap on Next, and now we can place the finger on it, and right now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner, every part of it, for better recognition, of course. Okay, there we've got it, and then tap on Finish. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it if you want to. You can view enrolled fingerprints, so it will be quite useful if you've got more than one fingerprint added. And then add another fingerprint. I believe you can add up to 5 different fingerprints. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so the unlocking, access uplock, and access vault. There you've got also scenes application and unlock when with screen off. And here, to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned on, as thanks to it you can unlock your device with only putting your finger on the sensor, and in this one you will have to not only put the finger and also press it. So obviously it is not really that hard to do. However, in some situations I think that this first option will be much more comfortable. Alright, so that will be all. Let's lock the device and check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.